In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Webflow through Google, open your project, and use the Apps section to locate Landing Rabbit so you can create a landing page quickly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow. You should see the official result near the top with the title Create a Custom Website, Visual Website Builder. Click that official Webflow link. A quick tip here: make sure the domain is Webflow's official site before you proceed, so you know you're on the right page. If you prefer to keep your current page handy, you can open the result in a new tab. Once the Webflow site loads, you'll land on or can navigate to your dashboard. If you're not already signed in, Webflow may prompt you to log in first. On the dashboard, find the project you want to work on. Look for the option labeled View Site on the project card or within its Options menu and click it. This opens the site context you'll be working with, making it easy to move into the next steps. If you have multiple workspaces or projects, double-check you're in the correct one before continuing. Inside your site environment, locate the Apps area. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find this in the sidebar. Click on Apps to open the app library. This is where you can browse and integrate tools that extend Webflow's capabilities. With the Apps library open, use the search bar and type Landing Rabbit. As you type, the results should filter automatically. Landing Rabbit is designed to help you spin up effective landing pages faster, so finding it here is the key move before you start building. If your workspace has permission settings, you may need the right access level to proceed. When you see Landing Rabbit in the results, click it. This opens the Apps page where you can proceed to create a landing page within your Webflow project. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear, such as allowing the integration or selecting the site context if asked. From here, the app typically guides you through choosing a layout, adjusting content, and getting your landing page scaffolded for further customization in Webflow's designer. That's it. You searched for Webflow, opened your project by clicking View Site, entered the Apps section, searched for Landing Rabbit, and launched it to create a landing page. Pause the video if you want to follow along step by step, and once your page is generated, you can fine-tune design, content, and interactions directly in Webflow.